Abantu beni lapha
abantu bethu aba
nibasebenzisa ntoni?
basebenzi yabathakatha man.
Niyabathakatha?
Asinibaphumelele emhlanje.
Ningobani nini?
Bakhulu ndinkosikazi kabhuti wakhe
Phi?
mna. Yinkosikazi kabrother
Kabhuti wakhe phi, man?
Engcobo.
From?
Engcobo.
Oh, biyengcobo wena.
Yes.
Oh, you came from
Saza
Engcobo?
phumelele man muhlali noba ungenza
Umenze
kanjani.
ntoni?
What you have
Ngibophe
done to
yonke
her?
into yakhe ngibophe abantwana ngibophe kwanto akasaza move endisaphila.
Ungubani wena? Nkosikazi.
Yinkosikazi kabhuti
Uqale nini ukumbopha?
Yaqala
When
ngobhuti
you started
wakhe
to
umbulala nonina ndababulala. Ndihleli kulams ngowami lams nabantwana bami. Ndiyababona nje benakasa besithi likhaya labo lelam nabantwana bami lakhaya. Bayadlala. Saze benze nix muhlali khawuyeka suka endleleni yam. Suka sebenze. Uyadlala.
Beko seceleni kwakho kuyathakathwa apha.
Look at your name and that is witchcraft.
Ufundise abantwana bazi graduate soze basebenze.
Bapha abantwana bakhe.
Where are her
Cape
children?
Town.
Base-Cape Town.
Babanjwe ndim.
Basekapa.
Yayikhawundiyeke man.
Put money oil. 3 of them.
Uzenza
Fucking
clever
money oil
gqithi yena.
3 money oil.
Ibulala ikhaya lakhe yena uyavuka.
Siyalivusa namhlanje.
Yanibulala mhlawumbe.
Two.
Uzawusebenza kanjani ke ngoku? Uzawusebenza yatshayile oil yakho ndizawusebenza ngoba ndisithi xa ebuyile ndizamgqibezela.
Shut up and get out.
Thula uphume.
Uyandibulala.
Can I prophesy?
Prophesy now.
Get out.
Puma.
Namahlala man, nonsense.
Huh?